Welcome to aminacademy.com. In engineering mechanics, let us discuss about analytical method for the velocity of piston of a reciprocating pump. Here, look at this figure. Reciprocating pump crank piston connecting rod arrangement is given. Here, consider a mechanism of reciprocating pump in which AB is the crank, AB is crank and BC is the connecting rod and C is the piston. Let O is the instantaneous center of the connecting rod BC. Produce the line CB to meet the vertical line through A and N. That means we have to produce a line with this AN and BM. That means we have to draw a perpendicular for AC, that is AN, and from B perpendicular to BM perpendicular to AC. So now from the geometry of the triangle OCB and ABN, from triangle OCB and triangle and ABN, both are similar or similar triangles. Then from that we can write the ratios OC over OB equal AN over AB. Here OC over OB OC over OB is equal AN over AB. Now let omega 1 is angular velocity of the crank. The crank AB in rad per second. Say omega 2 angular velocity of the connecting rod BC about O in radian per second. Let L equal length of connecting rod BC. Theta is angle transversed by the crank. Angle transversed by the crank in degrees. Now angle phi equal angle with this angle phi which the connecting rod angle which the connecting rod makes with CA, makes with CA, that is here, makes with CA, known as obliquity, is called obliquity of connecting rod. Now we know that velocity of the piston C or velocity of piston or the point C equal, that is VC equal omega 2 into OC. That means this from this OC to distance OC to that velocity of piston omega 2, velocity of B equal VB equal omega 2 OB, omega 2 into OB. That means here the velocity of VB is omega 1 here, not omega 1 this. Now let we also know that velocity of B is VB equal omega 1 into AB. Now here VC by VB also we have, that is omega 2 into OC over omega 2 OB here omega 2 OC and omega 1 AB. Therefore which is equal OC by OB, also OC by OB equal AN by AB. We have the result before. Therefore VC equal VB into AN by AB, which is equal omega 1 into AB into AN by AB. Then AB cut. So we have VC equal here R, here AB is R here, omega 1 VC equal omega 1 into R into AN by R, that is both R cut here. Therefore, you can see which is equal to omega 1 into AN. This we have. Next, from the geometry of the figure, we have CA equal CM plus MA. Look at these figures. CA equal CM plus MA, that we can write CA plus M equals, which is equal CB cos phi plus AB cos theta. AB cos theta. Therefore, which is equal further L cos phi, because CB is L cos phi plus AB is R cos theta. Now AN equal to CA, that also from the geometry, CA tan phi, which is equal same L cos phi R cos theta into tan phi. We are opening the bracket, L cos phi into tan phi plus R cos theta into tan phi, which is further equal, because cos phi tan phi expressed as sin by cos and cos cut. Therefore, L sin phi plus R cos theta tan phi. Therefore, substituting this value of AN in equation, therefore VC equal omega 1. Therefore, already we have VC equal omega 1 into AN, which is equal omega 1 into L sin phi plus R cos theta tan phi. This is the expression for VC. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.